let's customize our Microsoft Word so that we can quickly send attachments and send Word components via email. Now, what we're going to do firstly is we're going to bring down this ribbon right here, or this quick access toolbar. We're going to put it below the ribbon so we can quickly see it. And then we're going to customize it. We're going to use our drop-down and go to More Commands. Now, this list is just the popular. We want all of the commands. Now, when we scroll down here, we should be able to see we can add numerous different elements here. But let's type send, and we'll go to the S's, and we're looking for a specific one. Now, we can save mail attachments, but that's not what we want. We want to be able to send this Word document as an email. So let's go down to the S's again and send email messages or send for review. But we're going to send to a mail recipient. And we're going to add that. And then we're going to go back up to the A's. And we're looking for the add. And we can add several other components related to email from here. But let's just right now work with that one right there. Now we can see it's been added here. So let's generate some random text. So we do have something to actually send to our mail recipient. And I'm going to select this. And you can see it opens the top of a send email message directly from here. Now I'm actually going to close this. I actually don't want to send a copy. Now what else can I do instead of this one? Well, what I can do is go and get some more commands. And all commands. And let's scroll down to the ends for new. Now we do also have some E entries here for email. Let me show you. Let's do this one, email. And let's do email. And we won't do the XPS option. Email messages and email options. Let's say OK to that. And let's see how this very first one works, which is just strictly email. We're going to wait for a second. And then, and I have this minimized, you can see it attaches it directly. Now, let's do this one here. Wait for a second, and it converts it, and it attaches it to an email. And the first one that we did was send to mail recipient. Now this one, which is email messages. When I select it, it doesn't appear to have done anything. All it does is format it so that we can easily send it off. And we do get this one for email options. Once we do that, and we can add a signature. So this would become the body, and we can digitally sign it. And those are the ways to easily, from Word, work directly with our Outlook.